Hello everyone, Dr. Stillman here tonight to talk about how air pollution can actually cause skin problems. So I hope you've heard of air pollution. It's a very common issue and of course is a driver of a lot of chronic disease, premature death in the world. But what most people don't realize is that common indoor air pollutants can actually be causing skin conditions. And I wanted to explain why this is. When you think about it, your airway and your skin have the same immune system, right? And what we know is that when something you're allergic to enters your nasal passages or your mouth or your lungs, that you're allergic to, you can then end up with allergic rashes, things like atopic dermatitis on your skin. Those same air pollutants, of course, can also land on your skin and create allergic rashes. This is why somebody who's allergic to, say, peanuts, if you rub some on their skin, you may actually see them break out in an allergic wheal. They don't necessarily have to eat it. Now, the most common, and I really shouldn't say the most common, there are so many different air pollutants and there's so many different ways to assess allergy that it's very hard to say what's causing the vast majority of, allergic or whatever skin reactions in your indoor air. And it's different for everyone. And the really amazing thing is that it can be anything. It can be an additive in your natural, organic, whole food, cruelty-free, vegan, fair trade, gluten-free, whatever deodorant. And it can be causing issues remote to the location. For example, somebody can be breathing in dust mites and it can manifest with eczema. There's a lot of academics that go into, well, is this an indirect effect? Is it an overflow effect? What's their total toxic load? All this other stuff that goes into it. But at the end of the day, anyone who comes to see me about a skin issue, we dig into their environment. What kind of air are you breathing? How are you filtering it? How are you cleaning it? How are your breathing mechanics? Because people who have dysfunctional breathing mechanics have a higher likelihood of allergy. What are you using on your skin, on your body, in your bedroom, detergents? The list goes on, because practically anything you're using can create an issue with your skin, even when it's not hitting your skin, as hard as that may be to believe. And like I said before, even really benign seeming products, organic, natural, whatever, you've seen all the buzzwords, right, can create issues. And so you have to find a way and you have to have a strategy to eliminate things from the person's life and see if they get an improvement. So don't neglect your air quality. If you're never talking to your doctor about this, it could be something that's driving your issue. And once you mitigate your air quality, you may see significant improvements in how you feel and function. As always, this is not medical advice. Consult your doctor before making any changes to your diet, lifestyle, medications, or nutrition. So, as always, thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my email newsletter. And if you're ready to achieve optimal health and well-being, apply to work with me at my website, stillmanmd.com. Take care, everyone.